What's going on? I hope everything is well with you. So let's get into it. Here are some great money apps and websites for you to use that are Black owned in 2020. First one. This is something that was newly brought to my attention. This is called Kingdom Pay. I like the name. I think it's cute to the point. But what is it? You've heard of Cash App, Venmo, what's the other one? Zelle. If you need to transfer money and have a card on top of that, some sort of debit card, if you will, without the bank and everything else that is traditionally tied to those kind of transfer accounts, this is for you. Kingdom Pay. It's new. It's not fully launched yet. It's new. And I can't wait to try it. I think it's just being tested out. So go to the Kingdom Pay website. It's actually owned by Brandon Jackson. Don't know who that is. I'm gonna put that down in the description as well. But you'll see it all. You'll see it all because you're gonna go to look at Kingdom Pay. You're gonna do it. Yes, yes. Next, Jumping Jacks Tax. Oh boy. So one thing that is guaranteed in life: birth, death, and taxes. Now this year especially, you might want to get your taxes knocked out because it's going to help you get some stimulus packages if you haven't already gotten the first one. You kind of need to have that stuff in order. Plus, you should have it in order anyway, just to keep yourself in the clear. So this was started by a couple in Philly. This app helps you find a tax professional near you, wherever you are. So literally, you pull up on your phone or on your phone, I would suggest, and put in your city, your zip code, whatever, and it'll give you a list of tax professionals in your area. Now, while this is good for your yearly taxes, also, you know I keep talking about start a business, get a side hustle, work for yourself, get some income that you yourself generate. So if you are doing that, you might want to have somebody on your side who's helping you look at your finances quarterly. Because you might end up having, depending on what you do, you might end up having to pay quarterly taxes and that sort of thing. So Jumping Jack Tax could be used for that as well. Cool? Cool. Next, also for my entrepreneurs and for my people just starting out, working for themselves and trying to figure out how to invest. Here's another way to invest. Invest in the community by investing in entrepreneurs by helping Buy the Block. What does she mean? So buytheblock.com is this next one. Buy the Block allows investors to invest in either debt or equity opportunities that traditionally or historically wouldn't be available. So one that's been really popular going around is Buy the Block. So what this particular investor has done is kind of crowdfund a neighborhood. You could potentially be an investor in this example in a real estate project and have a share in it. So instead of going to find out everything there is about wholesaling or flipping houses or being a realtor or whatever else there is, there's so many different ways you can go about this. You have a share in real estate. Boom. And it's not like, it's sort of like a REIT, but not really, but it sort of is, but not really. Go check it out. But that's just that particular one. You can help somebody open up a cafe. I've seen that up there as well. There's a number of things. So go check out Buy the Block. Now it's not an app, it is a website. So you'll want to go on your desktop, your laptop, and check that out there. Next, the next thing you want to do, Bank Black. Duh. Now I cannot say specifically one bank is going to be better than any other because your needs might be different. You might want something that has a brick and mortar near you. But I can say right now in 2020, the biggest black bank, black owned bank, is One United, and they are based in California and LA. They have another location somewhere on the East Coast. If my memory serves me right, it might be like Boston or something like that. Don't quote me. I'm gonna figure it out and put it in the description below. Okay? All right. So yeah, the other thing is to bank black, because it's one thing to have yourself purchasing things within the community and using these apps and using these tax professionals. When you bank black, it kicks it up a notch, because traditionally the dollars that come into a bank go and help more of the community. So, and if you are trying to figure out and find more places and more ways to just find black resources, doctors, therapists that look like you and can relate, anything under the sun, there's a new website called Blackout Period that you can go check out. If you've ever gone to Google, if you've ever typed in black businessman or black business person, and you got black and white photos of everything else imaginable, cats in business suits, you know, you understand what this is like. So do yourself a favor then. Go check out blackoutperiod.com. And that's period with a T. Okay? I'm gonna put that in the description box too. It's a dope site. Those are the 5 that I have for you. It's a beautiful day in June. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this day and cook a little meal. I hope you enjoyed those 5. If you have any other resources to any financial apps or anything, websites that are black owned, let me know in the description box. I would love to know. Or any other sites that are just getting you through, that you're rocking with in 2020, let us know in the description box. Love to check it out. All right? Yeah, I think that's it. I'll check you next time. Tink.
You chase, but before you go switch up your speakers, I'm moving my own place. And if you say that love is what you want from me, but that's just what your words say. Teacher, let me show. 'Cause when she play,